So it has free spin, but it's got a ticking sound. You could feel it through the skate too. So to test which one it is, I pull the wheel, pull both of the bearings, and put one of the bearings back in, spin it. You can hear it. And I'd certainly feel it. So it's this one. It's got like a burr, it almost feels like. Then the other one from that pair. Nice and smooth. No noise. Very little vibration. So it's definitely this one. This one right here.